In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload photos to Google Drive from your mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Drive app. After that, we can select a folder in which we would like our photos to be downloaded. We can select existing one or we can create new one. To create new folder, tap right here at this plus, select create folder. I'm just gonna name it photos and then hit create. After that, you need to get into a folder you have created. Then tap right here at this plus again and select upload file. After that, tap add photos and videos. Enter any album. I'm just gonna select recent. And that's where we can select photos for uploading, just like that. You can select photos or videos, as many as you want. And once all the photos are selected, just hit right here at upload. It will start uploading all the selected content one by one. All you have to do is just wait until it's done. After that, you can enter that folder. And here, as you can see, we have already some photos saved. Now we just need to wait for it to complete. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.